Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can farm XP in Battlefield 6, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can host a server and farm XP on it with bots easily. Once you're here, you're going to click onto community, you're going to go into search experiences, and here you're going to find any XP farm server. So for example, I want to do this one, click host on here, scroll down, just click host locally or host, and then just wait for the server to be created. And once it's done creating, now you can go ahead and kill bots and farm XP on this server. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to farm XP on Battlefield 6. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.